Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to our Prime Minister. And shortly the Fiji 7. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the Fiji's national sides, 7 sides manager being met by the Prime Minister and the other invited guests. Next one on the list is the captain himself, and who scored the first try. Personally from Lao, I'm told, but he has got links in Maduata. The mother is from Maduata. The captain and the man who scored the first try. Next is the man from Nandona, Chasa Varabalua. Always wanting to tease the opposition side when they are in the scrum. Chasa Varamalua. A big round of applause, please. For all the way from Kandau, Leone Nakarawa. And then comes in the man from the jet set town of Nandi, Kitione Talinga. And our very own, always mesmerizing the opposition, Papua Jelly Dubai. And let us also take a look at the officials that were part of that Navin one in Buka. We would also like to give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.